Good morning folks, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Markets Analyst at AvaTrade. I'm back with an update on coronavirus and its influence on financial markets. Markets are trading to the downside because investors had their hopes pinned on this particular drug that Gilead Sciences was working on to treat COVID-19. But because of the failure of that positive result, or the Gilead Sciences was unable to produce the results of what the market was expecting, we are seeing this negative influence on the market today. The European equity market is trading to the downside, and this is also having an impact on US futures as well. Now, if we look at the economic numbers, we had another data out of the UK. The UK retail sales fell well below -6% when the expectations were -4.5. So obviously, the longer the economy remain under the lockdown condition, the bigger the impact is going to be. But remember, Boris Johnson is expected to return to Downing Street next week, and the first agenda that he is going to deal with is how is he going to ease those lockdown measures, because now the economy does need that, and I think because we have passed the peak of that bell curve over in the UK as well, so investors are going to continuously to look on that. And on the back of that, the focus is going to be on two major factors. Firstly, sterling, which is absolutely getting better today against the dollar. Secondly, FTSE 100 index, which again is trading to the downside, and it is down well over 100 points. The questions are being raised whether the momentum that we see when the FTSE 100 index went up from its recent low, whether that is still a dead cat bounce or whether that is an actual recovery. Looking at the technicals, it seems to me that it is a dead cat bounce. That's all for today. See you guys next week.